Hello friends. So here the pointer to object is the next concept where we are having a pointer can point to the objects as well. So syntax of the pointer pointing to an object, we have seen pointer to variable, pointer to an array, pointer to a function. Similarly, pointer can also point to an object. So when you need to point a pointer to an object, you have to have a syntax that you have to write a class name, then asterisk sign, and then the object pointer. So, for example, consider that you have a class laptop and LPTR is a pointer since you have written asterisk sign for LPTR. So, to how to access the members of any class using arrow operator instead of dot operator, we can use it. So, consider a short example where you have written a class laptop where you are having data members such as name of the laptop and how much RAM it is having and a show function which is just showing the name of the model and the what is the RAM inside the laptop. Now you consider a main function where in the first line you have constructed an object of laptop, that is laptop Dell, and in the second point where you are writing laptop asterisk LPTR, it is a pointer to an object. So as in a normal particular object where you are writing LP object dot name, object dot show function. In the similar manner, when you want to access these data members or member functions through a pointer, you have to first assign the pointer to an object address, that is done by lptr is equal to ampersand del. Then to access the members you have to use the arrow operator as जैसे अगर object use करते हो तो आप लिखोगे del dot name, but since you are using pointer I will use lptr arrow name is equal to del and then lptr arrow ram is equal to 64. So it is very easy. This is known as pointer to object. Now, pointer to object, when you want to access the members, you have to use arrow operator, but you can also use the dot operator. How to use a dot operator? Let's see in the next slide, coming slide, that the similar program which goes on. Entire program is same. Creation of object and creation of pointer to object is also same. You assign the address of the object to LPTR, but just observe now instead of using lptr arrow name I have used asterisk lptr dot name, just pointer lptr and then you have to write it in bracket and dot and then name the data member or member function as it goes on as shown below, and then you complete it. So this is known as what? You are using dot operator to access the member of laptop class using the object pointer, that is LPTR. Now today we are again going to see the next concept, that is pointer to derived class. Just like pointer is pointing to an object it can of a class, it can also point to an object of derived class. Now so we are going to see that a pointer of base class is there. You create a pointer of base class and it can point to both base class as well as derived class object. Here we all know that base class members cannot access the members of derived class, but derived class members can access all the members of base class. Remember, derived class can access all the members of base class, but base class cannot access the members of derived class. So if you are creating a pointer of base class can access only those values which it is of the derived class which it has shared to derived class. So suppose अगर आपके पेरेंट्स के पास कुछ पैसे हैं और उन्होंने आपको पैसे शेयर किए, तो क्या होगा? पेरेंट्स ने जो उनके पैसे आपको शेयर किए वो वापस ले सकते हैं, लेकिन आपके पास जो खुद के पैसे हैं वो पेरेंट्स वापस नहीं ले सकते. तो दिस इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ व्हाट बेस कैन नॉट एक्सेस मेंबर्स ऑफ डिराइव क्लास which it owns. It can just access the members which it has shared to the derived class, and that is going on that with the next concept, that base class pointer can only access those members of derived class which it has shared or which are inherited from base class, but not those members which are declared in the derived class only. So we'll see this example. Consider the following example. You are having a base class, and inside that you are having a show function which displays base class, and you close this function. Then you are having a child class which is publicly derived from a base class, and inside this also you are having a function which is display function. Function name is different in both of the classes, that is base class and derived class. Now inside this is considered as a base class, and this is considered child class, is known as a derived class. Now inside the main function, what you do, see that I have created a pointer of base class and an object of base class. दो चीजें create कर रही हूँ, एक base class का pointer और दूसरा base class का object. Now I make the base class pointer ptr pointing to base class object. Okay, and then I have to access, जैसे हमने pointer to object देखा था वैसे ptr arrow show मैं use कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, अब second class में what I am having child class C, means I create a object of which class, derived class, and then I make a base class pointer to point to derived class. Sorry, this is written as base class, but base class pointer is pointing to derived class object, that is ptr is equal to ampersand C. तो जब आप ptr arrow show करोगे, it will call the show function of base class. But when I am writing ptr arrow display function is a function of which class, child class. Okay, that is a derived class, and you are accessing that display function using which pointer, base class pointer. So this is not allowed, as we have seen base class pointer cannot access the members of derived class which is only with the derived class. So that is why this is going to show you or generate a compiler error, as display is not the member of base class. So base class pointer cannot access the function of derived class, though it is pointing to the derived class object. Okay, so output will be base class and base class. So to resolve the above error which is coming, or to call the member of derived class using derived class object, we have to cast it to derived class pointer. तो डिराइव क्लास के पॉइंटर को कैसे का क्लास करते हैं, मतलब क्या, बेस क्लास के पॉइंटर को डिराइव क्लास के पॉइंटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो हाउ टू राइट इट, डिराइव क्लास नेम एस्ट्रिक बेस क्लास पॉइंटर एरो एंड देन मेंबर ऑफ डिराइव क्लास. So I already again another concept that derived class का pointer base class के object को point नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है, base class का pointer derived class को point कर सकता है, लेकिन derived class का pointer base class के object को point नहीं कर सकता. यहाँ पे ये ध्यान रखना है, this gives you an error. So we'll see the example of one which is pointing. Here you are having the same concept, same program, and base class and derived class, but see now I am making a pointer, base class pointer to point to what, derived class object, ptr is equal to ampersand C, and I wanted to access the member display through this pointer, base class pointer. तो अब आप इसको क्या करोगे, कास्ट करोगे. This is known as casting, conversion of one type to another type, as we had seen in the previous lecture. Show function को access करने के लिए cast करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि show function is a function of base class and ptr is also a pointer of base class. ठीक है, बट वेन आई एम यूजिंग डिस्प्ले फंक्शन जो है ये चाइल्ड क्लास का है और ptr जो है वो बेस क्लास का है. इसीलिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू विल हैव टू कन्वर्ट ptr टू चाइल्ड क्लास पॉइंटर एज फॉलोज विच इज गिवन. ओके, so I hope that you have understood how to use a pointer to derived class, base class pointer to derived class object. And remember, derived class object कभी भी base class के ऑब्जेक्ट, डिराइव क्लास पॉइंटर बेस क्लास के ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट नहीं कर सकता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर